Hey, what's up guys? A young gentleman asked how I could make this text appear like it's in the ground, so I'll just go ahead and do that. I'll go to Effect, 3D, Rotate, and let me preview this. So I'm going to make it look like it's on the ground, possibly give it a little perspective, and I suppose that's good enough. Okay. And I will go to Object, Expand Appearance. Okay. And this little border around the text, I don't want that there. So I'm going to select the white arrow and just make sure I'm selecting that and delete all that. Okay. Next I'm going to double click to go into this group. Select all of these and hold Control, Shift, and press G, which is ungroup. Control, Shift, G. Press that a whole bunch, and at some point we should be able to break this apart. It doesn't want to break. There we go. So just monkey around with that. And next I'll just create a bunch of shapes, and these are going to be the backgrounds for each letter, and we're going to create a clipping mask. And I'll make these a gradient color, and it will go from light to dark. Light to dark, like that. And you just want to make sure these will cover up each letter. So there's 4 squares. And I think I'll shrink them down a little bit. Okay. And arrange, send to back. Okay. And now I'm going to select the first square and the letter T, right click, make a clipping mask, and I'll do that for each letter. Okay. Next we're going to draw the part that makes it look like it's in the ground. So I'll double click the T to get into this object. You see when I hover this, the square gets in the way. I'm going to press Control 2 and it locks it. Okay. If you need to unlock it, just press Control Alt 2 so that I don't actually accidentally click it and stuff. So with my pen tool, I'm going to go about at this point and drag all the way down here and just kind of create a shading in there, and we'll do it with this point. And you've got to kind of know your points where they're gonna dip down. If I did it over here, it probably wouldn't look correct because this isn't really a point where it's gonna be shaded. So some basic artiste skills might be needed here. Okay, so it looks like this goes down into the ground. If we zoom out, you see how that looks like it's going into the ground. I might not have the shading correct. You should be able to repeat this with every shape. I'll go ahead and lock this with Control 2. Do my little arrow piece. And it'll probably get trickier on some letters. You'll have to actually sit down and think about the best way to go about that. Like this E, it looks like we might actually have to have something coming down on these sides as well. And perhaps right about here. And let me, whoops. Alright. So the E doesn't look perfect. I'm not exactly sure the best places to put the little fade things, but that's a general idea. I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.